Good morning. It's May 30th, and me and this little boy, Azam, we have a really interesting plan for today. We'll go for bicycle riding. The weather is awesome outside. Azam, looks like he's ready.
See if the water's good.
Uh-huh. Is it good?
Bad.
Oh, bad? Okay, you can water the plants and get fresh water there. Meanwhile, this would be the bike that will be getting it, but Azam also needs a bike. Azam, you want to ride your bike?
Tandem.
Tandem it is then. Tandem is right here. So all we have to do is hook this baby up to this one. Da-da-doo-dow. The tandem is hooked up. Your helmet ready?
Yeah.
Okay, my helmet ready. Azizi's here is ready to say bye-bye to us, and Jasmira and Gulmira. Bye Azizi, have fun. And Mila too. Could you please switch off the outside light? Bye guys. Azam ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Just got the camera off the mount here. What's up, Azam? What's up, buddy? Oh, you're drinking your water bottle from the VeeFriends branded water bottle, huh? So what is the next stop?
I hope one.
Okay. Okay, it will be on. Here you go. Be sure to get on the seat first.
Me?
Yep, whenever you're ready, let me know.
I'm good.
Okay. What are you saying? You're ready, D, right?
Yeah.
What are you saying usually? What are you saying?
Ready, D. Ready, D.
Oh, always ready. Okay, here we go. Up the hill for Hopewell.
Up the hill right there.
Yep. What are you filming now, Azam?
I'm filming your butt and the smiley.
Oh, Azam meanwhile is filming my butt with a smiley face. Okay.
That's bad grass. Now I'm filming me. So now we are going over there, as you can see. So I'm gonna start filming the nature.
Right. Another stop we did here. This is really interesting. So we found these huge trucks, and Azam here felt adventurous. Did you?
No,
Or was it me? Okay, it was me. I'm telling you the truth. We felt adventurous, and we thought, I've never seen them up close. Look how awesome they are. Azam, you want to stay next to it so that we see how big they are? Oh my gosh, look at that. They're pretty big. Yeah, you want to try? Yeah, sure. Go ahead. Worst case scenario, they tell us don't do it, right? Go ahead, do it.
Yeah, I can't do it.
Yeah, I can help you. Here, give me
No,
a
I
hand.
don't want to.
Okay, okay. Do you mind if I try?
I want to push it.
You want to push it?
It's too heavy.
Oh, you want to see that bulldozer? Oh, that is cool, right?
Oh my.
Yeah, that's. Do you know what bulldozer does?
What?
It pushes the dirt in this case. Pretty awesome, right?
That's why I see a lot of dirt here.
Uh-huh, that's why you see a lot of dirt. Careful. Oh my gosh, look at this.
Yo, what?
Wow. That's pretty dope if you ask me. You like it, Azam? Are you helping them by cleaning out the dirt?
Yeah.
Good job, thank you. And you see what they have here? Sometimes they raise them up.
What?
That's how they raise them up. This looks really cool. This caterpillar big, that's huge.
What?
Look at this one, it's pretty huge.
Oh yeah.
It is humongous. And look, you can hop on it from both sides. Do you know that?
Yeah, I know.
You wanna hop on? Try, I think this one is easier. Just grab this part, grab this handle. Yep. Look at you, Azam. You're on top of the world. There's what? There's a person sleeping? What?
There's a drink in there.
Okay, you wanna come down from here? I can help you out. You wanna?
Yeah. How do they come down like this?
Woohoo! You want to climb on this one and see what's inside that one? I think for that you need to climb on the gushenica. I don't know what is gushenica in English.
It's like
Uh-huh. Pretty awesome, huh?
yeah, it's pretty awesome.
Want to come down? The same way how you entered? How you got up? Okay, we're ready to head back, right? Let's go.
Wait, what?
Oh, this one, the small, the BB one has left here, right? Is left here. Yeah, I think you just opened the door up, but the door is locked right now, obviously. But this is like when you open it up and you can climb in. That's so cool, right? Yeah, that's a step. No, you just push it here, but then the door. The door, most likely it's locked. And even if it's unlocked, you don't need to go inside. I think we're ready to go. Huge machines, always was fascinated about them. Now we got a chance to step close to one. And there are some that are even bigger. Can you imagine? No way, it's tough to imagine one that's bigger than this, but well, time to get on the bike and head back. Now we're facing the biggest challenge of our life, Azam.
Yes.
What is it?
Going up that uphill.
Ooh, I think it's impossible to go up that hill, but we'll give it a try, right?
Yeah,
And to give it a try.
I want to show you something to tag my dad.
Da-da-do-da. Be sure to like, subscribe, and follow.
Yeah.
So I'm about to put the camera back here, but this time instead of facing it forward, I'll be facing it backwards so that you see our tired faces. Maybe that'll be an extra stimulus for us to keep working. We'll give it a try. Right?
Be limitless.
Now you will get to see us. And it's an extra push for us because right now we know that we're filming. We're being filmed. Right, Azam? 1, 2, 3, left push before we push the lower ones. There we go. Breathing. Time to switch the gears. Now we're not giving up. Thank you for your help, Azam. Thank you, Azam John. Thank you, buddy. I can do it. How are you feeling? Outstanding. How are you feeling? I don't get tired. You know that's a miracle of Jasur and Azam. We never get tired. We never get tired. Just need some pushes. 1, 2. Azam, help me out. 3, 4. Almost here. I can do it. Azam, I need some cheering. Azam, I need some cheering. Azam, we're almost here. Almost at the top. And we are almost here. And we are done. Time to get some water. So Azam, you did most of the pushing, right? Thank you very much, I felt it. Okay, time to get some drink and we're ready to go home. Are we ready to go home?
Why did you not get the GoPro suitcase to put it on your helmet?
Oh, maybe next time. About to put the GoPro back here. Ready? 1, 2, 3. finally home. Can't wait to go into the shower. Signing out. This was morning of May 30th, 2022.